Yay! We are here to make pasyal-pasyal muna. Oh, that one is the beside of that one is the river. Okay, at least we can come here. I can come here in the another city, not only in Baghdad. Okay, look. Oh. It's very very nice here. It's very clean. Oh. Yan. Yan. This one is the river. I think it's the river. Because there is no sea here. Oh. So, ayan beside. Oh. Ayan up. Up of my head at the back. That is river. Okay. Oh. You see? I'm very lucky also because I come here in the another city. I don't know only what's the name of the city, but as of what I know that this one is the another city. It's not the Baghdad. It's not the new Baghdad city. Oh look. Oh, that one is river of my back. Ito na si Sisi. No, it's not. You know there is so. There is Krello. Wow, very nice. Thank you.
You are gonna pull down.
No, I'm not. I'm big. I'm not small. You see? Very nice. What's the name of the city?
Fallujah.
Fallujah. This one daw is Fallujah. It's like Farja. In the UAE is Farja.
It's like a Sharjah.
So nga. The neighborhood of the city, kumbaga. So, it's the neighbor city. It's the neighbor city of Baghdad city. Okay, so thank you again for watching. It's very very clean here. Ayan o, it's very very clean. It's very nice. You see? Look. That one is the another side. I see. That is the another side. Oh, see? So that I cannot make a lubat and or stuck up of my what's that in my cell phone. So I make it say thank you for our date, the family date of us, for my madam, for my the parents of Sarah and Celine, for the Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all, worldwide and nationwide. Ayan yung rose. Ayan yung rose. Okay. So thank you and God bless us all. It's almost what time here? I don't think so. It's o'clock maybe. Okay, hello, bye bye.